Rhondda Cynon Taf County Borough Council is facing an estimated budget gap of £63.2 million over the next 3 years, with an initial gap of £27.2 million for 2016-17. Because of this, and because the Council has to set a balanced budget each year, the Council is consulting with residents and service users regarding service change proposals affecting library services, youth engagement and participation service and supported bus routes. In many instances, the Council provides services over and above the level we are required to, and above the level provided by other local authorities. And despite being faced with such significant financial challenges, we want to protect residents from cuts as far as possible and avoid closing facilities or stopping service provision altogether. This is why, whenever we have to consider service changes, we look at how we can deliver services differently to sustain them wherever possible, rather than cutting them completely, i.e., turn the tap down, not off. For example, changes proposed to library services would see branch libraries open for a few hours less each week, but, importantly, all existing libraries would remain open. As well as the proposed service changes, the Council will continue to make efficiencies which don't affect residents, with savings of £6 million identified for 2016-17. It is important residents and service users are given the opportunity to have their say on any proposed changes to service provision, and this is why we are consulting on these proposals for 8 weeks, with consultation closing at 5 p.m. on January the 18th, 2016. You can have your say in a variety of ways, such as online, at events or through Twitter. Please visit rctcbc.gov.uk/budget challenge for more information on the proposals and how you can have your say.